Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to erase parts of an image in Photoshop. To begin, select the eraser tool from your toolbar, which looks like a pink rubber eraser. You can adjust its size and hardness using the options bar at the top, just as you would with a brush. Simply click and drag over the areas you wish to remove. Remember, this method permanently deletes pixels, so always consider duplicating your layer first for safety. It is an excellent starting point for basic cleanups. For a more advanced and much safer approach, we use layer masks. Unlike the eraser tool, a layer mask does not delete any pixels, it simply hides them from view. This means you can always go back and fine-tune your edits at any time, which is incredibly powerful for complex projects. Think of it as painting with an invisible ink that can easily be made visible again. It is truly the gold standard for image manipulation. To apply a layer mask, select your image layer in the Layers panel, then click the Add Layer Mask icon, which is a rectangle with a circle inside. A white thumbnail will appear next to your layer. Now, select the Brush tool. With the mask selected, paint with black to hide parts of your image. Use white to reveal them again. You can toggle between black and white with the X key. Adjust your brush size and hardness for precise control, effectively erasing or restoring areas with ease. Refining the edges of your masked areas is key to a polished result. After making a selection, click Select and Mask in the Options bar to access a dedicated workspace. Here, you can adjust properties like radius to find fine details like hair and feather to soften the edges. Use Smooth to reduce jagged lines and Contrast to create sharper transitions. These controls give you immense power to make your masked images look seamless and natural, blending perfectly into any new background.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.